You think you know the best way to eat your vegetables, right? What if I told you that sometimes your healthy choices are actually missing out on crucial nutrients? For years, we've been told that raw is always better, a pure, unadulterated dose of nature's goodness. But is that really the whole story? Today, we're diving deep into the surprising science behind raw versus cooked vegetables, and you might be shocked at what we uncover about your favorite greens. We're going to explore how a little heat, or lack thereof, can completely change the nutritional game. Let's start with the champions of the raw food movement. The idea is simple: eat food as nature intended, untouched by heat. And there's definitely some truth to it. Raw vegetables often retain more heat-sensitive vitamins like vitamin C and certain B vitamins, which can degrade with cooking. Think about a crisp bell pepper or a handful of fresh spinach. They're bursting with these fragile nutrients. Plus, raw foods keep their natural enzymes, which some believe aid digestion. They also tend to have a higher water content and sometimes more fiber, which is great for feeling full and keeping things moving. So, for things like leafy greens, cucumbers, and berries, going raw often gives you a fantastic fresh nutrient punch. But here's where it gets interesting. While raw has its perks, it's not always the nutritional powerhouse we assume. Some vegetables actually need a little heat to unlock their full potential. Take tomatoes, for example. When cooked, the lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, becomes much more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and use it more easily. Raw tomatoes are good, but cooked tomatoes, like in a sauce, are a lycopene superstar. Carrots are another great example. Cooking them, especially with a little fat, significantly boosts the absorption of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This powerful nutrient is essential for vision and immune function, but in raw carrots, it's trapped inside tough cell walls. Heat breaks down these walls, freeing up the good stuff. Even spinach, while great raw for vitamin C, offers more iron and calcium when lightly cooked because heat reduces oxalic acid, which can bind to these minerals, making them harder to absorb. So, it's not a simple case of raw good, cooked bad. It's a delicate balance. When you cook, you might lose some vitamin C, but you could gain a lot more of another essential nutrient. For instance, boiling vegetables can leach water-soluble vitamins into the cooking water, effectively draining them away. But steaming or stir-frying can preserve more of these nutrients while still breaking down cell walls. The method of cooking matters just as much as whether you cook it at all. It's like a nutritional seesaw. Push one side up and the other might dip a little. The challenge then becomes how to maximize the benefits without losing too much. The key takeaway? There's no single better way to eat all vegetables. The smartest approach is variety. Eat some raw, eat some cooked, mix it up. Enjoy a vibrant salad with bell peppers and cucumbers, then savor a rich tomato sauce or some steamed broccoli. For veggies like broccoli, cabbage, and kale, a light steam can reduce compounds that might interfere with thyroid function for some people, while still retaining many vitamins. Asparagus too benefits from cooking, which softens its tough fibers and makes its folate more accessible. Think about what nutrients you're aiming for and how each preparation method can help you get the most out of each bite. Ultimately, the best vegetable is the one you actually eat. Don't stress too much about perfection. Just make sure you're getting plenty of diverse colors and textures onto your plate, whether they've seen a stove or not. By understanding these simple principles, you can transform your healthy eating habits from guesswork into smart, informed choices. If you like this video, hit that like button, share it to your friends, and subscribe if you aren't already. It really helps the channel grow. Hit that notification icon so you won't miss on future contents. You might also like these videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.